Hey everyone, I am your fave Nurse B. Why do I do that? What's up with all that? Today, this is gonna be a fun video, do something a bit different. I wanna show you all how much I got paid as a CNA compared to my very first paycheck as an LPN or a new nurse. Now, before I do that, in order to get this information, you must like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I have videos for nurses, nursing students, CNAs, CMTs, patient care techs, LPNs, RNs, whatever. I am here for you. I have tons of videos and much more material to come. We also have a Your Fave Nurse B Facebook group. We just got 500 members. I am so super duper excited. I have a giveaway coming up very soon, you all, so stay tuned for that. Also join the Your Fave Nurse B Instagram. I became a CNA in December 2012. But I had started at my job in August 2012, so I started off as an NAT, then I became a CNA in December, and then I became an LPN, or GPN I should say, graduate nurse, in March 2015. So this is my last check. And also, just so you all know, I worked my butt off during nursing school. I worked full-time. I didn't have any days off the whole freaking first 6 months of nursing school. I didn't have any days off. I went to school 5 days a week and then worked 3 days a week. I did two doubles on the weekend. I did 16 hours on the weekend and 1 8-hour shift during the week. Like, I worked the entire time during nursing school, and I have 2 videos talking about how I did it and how I graduated at the top of my class. So go watch those videos, you all. But yeah, like, I just remember, like, I've been a nurse for 3 years, you all, but just looking back, I was so excited for this first check. Oh my goodness, like, I was super excited, like, just like, oh my goodness, like, I made it. I freaking made it. Wait, let me go back. Gotta go back. Hold on. Okay, well, I worked 2 16-hour shifts, and during the week I think I came in like an hour late or whatever because of the way school fell, so I ended up only working 77.5 hours. That's how much I had on my check, so it wasn't the full 80 hours. Now, my last pay rate that I was at as a CNA, this is my check, y'all. I don't want y'all to see where I work, but this is the legit check. Can y'all see it? My last pay rate was $10.85. So that's how much I got paid after being a CNA for like two and a half years. That's how much I got paid. Now, as a preface, here in Missouri, this is like one of the lowest paying states for healthcare workers, just so you all know. It just is what it is. But yeah, so I was getting paid $10.85 as a CNA. Like, dang, that's crazy. I don't know why in my mind I thought that I actually was getting paid more. Looking back, I thought I did, but I really wasn't. I was making $10.85. Okay, so this check is dated for let's see, January, March 14th, 2015. Now, my gross pay, gross, you know, gross is before they take everything out. My gross pay for this check was 77 hours and 77.5 hours was $840.88. So that's how much I made. That was my last check as a CNA. Now y'all, after they took out my dental insurance, my health insurance, and my I guess I had disability insurance. I didn't even have 401k at this point. After they took all that out, my net pay was at $696.97. Dang, that's crazy. I'm just thinking about how much I get paid now. I'm just thinking about it like, wow. That's humbling to think about. Like, that's where I was at. Okay, yeah, I'm sorry. I'm just thinking about that, like, man, that's crazy. $10.85. So that was my last check as a CNA. Let me know if you all are new nurses, or if you want to become a new nurse, whatever. If you know how much new nurses get paid in your area, please put that down below. Put that down below. Also, if you're a CNA or patient care tech, tell me how much you're getting paid, or about how much you're getting paid, and where you're from. I want to know. I want to get a gauge of that so we all can get an idea of, you know, how much we all getting paid. Let's see, you know, get an idea if we on the low end or high end. Maybe you're in the same state as somebody and you're like, wait, that person making that much? I need to ask for more. So definitely put that in the description box for me. Make sure you still like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so this is my first check as a GPN. Okay, anyway, so this check was dated for March 14th, 2015. This one is for April 11th, 2015. So about a month later, my pay rate was at $18. That's where they started me off at as a new nurse. All right, so it was $18 was my pay rate. I had worked, I guess, no, this is a little bit more hours. I worked 80 hours of orientation, and then I had some overtime of 3.25 hours. So that's that. Now, this is how much I made gross. I made, with $18 an hour, I made $1,527.75. That was my first paycheck, going from $840.88 to $1,527.75. Y'all, like, that was a huge difference. Like, you can do a lot more with that compared to the $800. So just, yeah, your girl was happy. I was very excited to get that pay increase. But also I still feel like my job did lowball me as far as how much I got paid, because I was in my job for, when I became a nurse, I was there almost for, let's see, I became a nurse in 2015. I started there in 2012. So it's almost 3 years. And to me, I think, like, okay, you all shouldn't be paying me what a regular nurse, like somebody off the street, is getting paid. Y'all know how I work. I worked all the way while I was in nursing school and still came to this freaking job and gave y'all my 77 hours, my 77.5 hours for an entire year. Now, granted, my job did help me with school. It wasn't a huge amount, but it was something. I mean, it was free money to a certain extent. If you just want to look at the flat 80 hours, I made gross $1,440. So it went from $840 to $1,440. So let's calculate the difference. Wow. So one check going from CNA to an LPN, I made a difference of $599.12. So basically $600 more. Imagine making $600 more than what you make right now. Like, what would you do with that money? Let me know. What would you all do with $600 more a month? Yeah, I'm gonna tell you all what I did. I'm gonna do a video telling y'all what I did with my first check. But right now, if I was making $600 more a month, that's an apartment. That's a really nice car. Like, that's a good payment on a car a month. $600 more a month, that's a good amount of savings. You can put that in your 401k and be good. Let's see, you could just do a lot. You could just go on vacation. You can just keep banking that for a few months and go on a good vacation. You can go shopping. You can go buy some furniture. You can buy groceries. Like, you can do a lot with $600 more a month. So I say this, and I did this video just to I somehow this guy, his channel kept popping up about how much his first check was. And when I watched the urban nurse, his video had popped up, and I was like, oh my goodness, like, I should do a video like that. But I changed it up a bit because I am your fave nurse B. I mean, come on, no, I gotta change it up a bit. But go watch that video if you all haven't. It was funny, the urban nurse. But yeah, so I did it because I was like, you know what, we do need to inspire, like, people who are in nursing school. Like, money is a big reason why people become nurses. I mean, come on now. So I wanted to do this as an inspiration for you all. If you're in nursing school or going to nursing school, want to become a nurse, if you're not making that much, if you're working your butt off, like, push through. You will get there. Push through. You'll be able to make a difference in the lives of yourself, of your family. You'll be able to do so much financially for your family. I've been able to do a lot as a nurse financially, and I'll do a video about that too. That's how much I got paid, you all. Let me know if you like this video, if you want to see more videos like this, talking about, like, how much I got paid in the beginning, and, like, what I did with my money, and, like, what I did with my first paycheck, stuff like that. So let me know what you think of this video. Let me know how much you're getting paid in your area, or just put anything down below. Just comment, like this video, give this video some activity so that your fave nurse B, you know, can keep doing what she does. Thank you all so much for your support. Like, these checks, yes, don't get me wrong, it's good to make money at a job doing a 9 to 5. It's, I mean, yeah, I mean, that's what I have a license for. But to be able to make a living through YouTube, like, that is a huge accomplishment. So that's what a lot of YouTubers are working for, to make a living through YouTube. And I don't see it as just me just saying, oh, I want to make big bucks on YouTube so I can be out here doing this. Like, I want to do a lot for this channel and a lot for the people that watch this channel. Like, I have so many freaking ideas, but you know, you gotta have some coins to have those ideas. But anyways, I just want to be able to devote more time to it. But I gotta go to work, y'all. I just gotta make the money. So yeah, that's how much I made as a nurse, starting off at $18 an hour. I can't believe I still have these checks, y'all, from 3 years ago. But yeah, I hold on to all my checks. So yeah, that's how much I got paid. Go follow us on the Facebook group. Stay tuned for the giveaway, and go see me on Instagram.